India Trinamool Congress Party hakaship hotrik ubnai nokpra arazar arpuar kala pediang boromnya candidate jongka uma auhai Andrew Chulai hakajingelang kebalalong Hamadan Jerusalem Jowai hagani kajingelang pediang borom lapan skemru ya hakinongkit kam ke Jowai Block All India Trinamool Congress Party ledon langru nadu Dr. Manas Ranjan Bhunya ubadai pet ya ke Meghalaya TMC Presiden ke TMC hakajelna uba Charles Pingrop Dr. Mukul Sangma Trinamool Congress Legislature Party Leader baru nongelam kalian persyak MLA uba George B. Lingdo bat kiwai
ini jingwan luti jing raya ma yela TMC untuk jing raya ma wait cimo wow ihuk dak bani decision jing raya wa klaim de konkret handrai di benai nodo di benai waso yang yang newsman Islam hajing perkat ni hajing porle hajing perkat langi yang ibu yang Congress Party Syurobi Oma RC lalu MLA warmai tebu hajing perkat kawan keluti kawilai hauni arjar arsaule kaman yobi man ka sencar kadar pawasang tahu ni wahanga dar khatla hajing alam yang di MD government kan manjing share permanent per Dedau, ipat yang kecil ipat yang iura, rai yang lepo yang TMC harga ni ganti iura. Dan negas ni, kijing kelam kucing kemat kudau koi kelam kepelaki keporkan bas kubon. Andrai digotit kani ni bertai yang social media ni, warai dia ni phone bejolo deh. Yoi jing ni citam rechan harga ni sansnem. Yoi ya kijing let tambor jingla yorot yaki hok kamtam yang ikut ciliang gui bujuno cak pelatin ka joko sorka menpendit pendiang di kibobon ngai mental don hakita ki sirip jong kita ki high level berkilo kini baru kawan rak penban dijing na kemuta hidup kisuk na kemuta gitu di 15 ni na kemuta gitu di nomor na kumta ki kun samla ki bomdan kam benjam berki benang di basta kawan ra ya dijinge na kumta ki tu ba angrut ban kinti jom bi desen abang yang hangne ban ai ya gede kemersim ban tren ka ikibi nanti ba pimi angne don tisha ta kemersim de dijinge ske saus nem siteng gele tang ke politik amban wan ra ya genu ke development Ndai mentapat nade kejan election sedang bersama kita pisah kisan hajar sam bersama kita sniang sam bersama kita jingpen be ki hojat saya kipai mampir ram ini mampir ram cucu ya kejan tang ban poi ha kabor keluar mampir ram ni kisan kita kisan hajar dan kita kisan po hajar.
I remember our former leaders like Professor Dr. Lalu who have been instrumental in bringing a very transformative changes in respect of development in Jantia Hills in general and Jowai in particular. Today, as I joined this program, I was tempted to find out about the status of few of the initiatives which were part of our initiatives in the last government. We understood the health need in the health sector, so we initiated the maternity and child hospital in Jowai. Every time I come to Jowai, I used to try to find out as to what has happened to that initiative. You all know the building is completed, but it is not yet operational. We'd like to urge the government to immediately operationalize this very important facility in the health sector. For the confident that we will be privileged to form the government. Therefore, if they don't do it before the election, I would like to promise on behalf of our party that in the first month of our next government, we will operationalize it. Professor Lalu wanted to have a B.Ed college for the people of Giant Hills and to establish that very institution in Jowai. We both agreed and we initiated this very important project. The building infrastructures are completed, but it is yet to be commissioned. Promise on behalf of our TMC, the same promise that we will complete the commissioning of this very B.Ed college in the first month of our taking the charge of government.